Hey guys, so I've been wanting to upgrade my Chrysler Pacifica minivan's low beam headlight and also the fog lights to LED lighting. Unfortunately, it's a 2020 model, but still didn't come with LED lights inbuilt. And I saw this fire and LED lighting package. It's a combination pack for both low beam light and the fog light. It was on sale on Amazon Prime Day for a good price, so I picked it up. As you can see, it's marked as H11 and 9005. So one of them fits the low beam light with the projector type lens, and the other one fits the fog light. All right, so let's do a unpacking and see what we got in here. So super excited about this. So as you can see, there's a manual here. Put it on side. This is great. They're giving some extra bonus for registering, so obviously definitely I'll do that. And this is new. Last time I got an LED light, it didn't come with like mounting pads and anything else, but this one comes with some tool package, so we'll put it in here on the side. Another package with zip ties and everything else we need to install. This looks like I guess connector for different types of lenses that seals out the water, I guess, but we'll find out what it is. And then here we go. Here are the 4 lamps. I mean, they look really nicely made, so we'll see, like really nice curve. And let me see if I can take one out without, okay, so I have to remove this first, and there are some other connectors in there, but let's take this one out. Comes out with the connector right there. Okay. That looks pretty nicely made, and actually really small profile, so I really love it. Well, here they are, so we'll see how they fit when I go back to the car and start installing. Catch you then. So this is the driver side low beam light. To replace it, you go here, open the hood, go right around where the air filter is, and open up this cover right here. You just turn it counterclockwise, and then get in and turn the bulb counterclockwise, and we'll come out and put the new bulb in and close it. For passenger side though, it's a little bit more difficult. There's a bar right here, so you can't really get in behind this light over here. There's no space, you see. So you can now take this out and take this bar out. So in other words, we have to unlock the bar from here. Maybe even take out this one, open those 2 bolts right there, which connects the bar over there, and then take this one out so we can take this cover out. Okay, I'm gonna open it up and we'll show you. So now, as you can see, this cover right here is accessible. It's really tight, but you know, if you reach in there with 2 fingers, you should be able to just turn it and pull it right out. Just be careful you don't drop it. Okay, and this is exactly how you remove the other one too. Okay, so this is how it looks after it's removed. This had to be wiggled out a little bit, and I also had to remove the bolt here, right here, because it was stuck, wouldn't come out. So I had to remove it, push it a little bit, and then wiggle the bar out. This one, just a pull out. It goes in there once you remove that bolt. Once you remove this bolt right here, this one just wiggles right out. Okay? And these are all the bolts. The black ones go on the bar, and then the gray ones go at the 2 other places, one here and one right there. Another thing, it was a little bit harder to wiggle this thing out from there. Now there's a little cavity, so you can just leave it right in there. I just left it, I didn't stick it anywhere. I don't think it should be a problem, but we'll see. Also, before you put it in, connect the lamp, this lamp right here, to the connector, and make sure it lights up. If it doesn't, then just flip the connector, right? If you try it this way, just flip it and put it back in, and it should work. So do that before you put it in, save you some grief. Okay guys, so the bulb is finally in, right in there. It did take me a while to get it in because the three holes where the tabs go in, they weren't at the same angle as the other side, and there was no way I could see anything in there, and I tried, and finally took it out and put the old bulb in because it's so much easier to maneuver, and I figured out exact angle that needed to go in, and then it worked. But it did take me a while. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this two-sided tiki step tape, put it on this smooth side, and then take out the other side, and then put it right in and put it against the empty space, so and then it's gonna stick. That's how I put it on the other side. So all right, let me put it in, then we'll start it up.